Hey, what's up? I don't know if you can see me. I put the light on, maybe. This is George Shamon. I want to welcome you. And as you saw the title, I want to answer some questions about web hosting, website builder, and which one is the easiest one for me, at least, and the one on a low cost. And So I use different web hosting and I read about others that I never used. And recently, for the last couple years, I've been using Hostinger web hosting, and they have a website builder and other options and different plans. It depends what you need. So I don't have my link, so I'm not, I don't have the affiliate link in the description. I just want to go over this and let you know and answer some of the questions if you're thinking about web hosting or if you already have Hostinger and you have any questions about the using the website builder. So it's not bad, but you have to get used to it, and there are options on the side. So once you log into your dashboard, you go to website lists. It says, I mean, you can access the domain name, you can access the website list. So if you click on website list, it's gonna take you to the dashboard, or they call it H panel. Some companies they call it C panel. So with Hostinger they call it H panel. So the H panel, it's not that difficult to use. You just have to log in and take your time. It depends what you want to do. You have access to the domain name, to the renewal, to the term renewal, and you have the website builder, or the file, your file, like the folders. Actually, they call them directories on the web hosting. And if you want to decide on what website you want to build. Do you want to build a website with using WordPress, or you want to build a website from scratch using templates and themes like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript? I mean, usually you have ready themes and templates. So also, if you want, you can use, if there are so many options like Squarespace, Weebly. Those are good too, and Wix, Shopify, but those are a little bit expensive. They're expensive, and they're not for beginners, even though a lot of them are. They don't take a lot. They're not too difficult, but in the beginning, you don't want to pay a lot of money, and you're not sure about what business or what kind of website you want to have, and if it's gonna work for you or not. So it's good to try the cheap options, and this is one of them. So oh, cool, cool. Welcome. Hi, welcome. If you have any questions about making a website on low budget and without using code, if you're not a programmer, like a code writer, like a web developer, they call them, like me, I'm not a web developer. I know the basics of HTML, CSS, and some JavaScript, but I don't consider myself a web developer like that. I can code. So this is why it's essential to learn what platform is you can use, and which one is suitable for you and what you want to do. So and it's good to have. You have to have a payment processor. For example, you can use different payment processors. Shopify have one, Squarespace, if you're with them, you have one. But I like PayHip. PayHip is good too because you just get a link and add it to your website. So basically, you don't have to have programming or coding skills, and you don't have to right away start paying like 25, $30 or more per month. So hello, welcome, thank you for joining. Yeah, if you Chelsea Lab Labor 8386, welcome. Cool Young Unknown, welcome. You guys have long name, but it's okay. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'm talking about making a website on low budget and website builders, web hosting, and which one is a good option. My favorite one is the one I'm using now is Hostinger. Hostinger is a good one, you know. Welcome, Ad Draugan. Yeah, so yeah, I like Hostinger because it's not that difficult. Their website builder is not that difficult. By the way, guys, if you're here, this is your first time, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future updates. I'm gonna be making more videos like these. I haven't made them in a while. I want to get back because I was in a process of moving from state to another state, and I want to start making more videos now. I'm about to settle down, you know. So yeah, make sure you subscribe and ask questions if you want about making a website and the tools, what you need, and because I tried different websites, and if you're new, you may not have an idea what you want to decide on. So, and it all hinges on the cost, how much is your budget, and it all hinges what you want to do with a website. Are you gonna be selling a product like digital product or physical project? What you want to do with it, or you want it to be a service website? You can have a service website where you can have the like appointment scheduling. You can have a scheduling uh, hosting that have this Squarespace. A lot of them they have. This is important if you want to do if you want to offer a service, and the service is a little bit expensive. Like sometimes you have to talk to people and you want to answer their questions, and when you talk to people online or in person, they trust you more versus a website by itself. So this is why even if you have a website, you still have to talk to people in person. And unless you're selling very cheap product that people don't have to see you, they just go to the web page. But if you want to sell services that are kind of expensive, let's say not too expensive, like let's say in a $500 ranges and up, I think you have to talk to somebody in person so people will trust you and they'll have an idea exactly what you want to do. So again, if you have any questions, submit it in a comment about making a website. If you're a web developer, you already know more than me, and you know all the options, most of the options. But if you're new, you want to make a website and you have questions, I can help you. Let's see if somebody subscribed. Make sure you subscribe because I need your help to grow the channel. So let me see. I'm back. Only one person subscribes, which is okay. So do you have any website that you want it to be evaluated? I can look at it and give you my opinion about making a website, or so yeah, because you have to be clear. You have to know a website is essential even if you have social media presence, because social media by itself, it's not enough if you want to offer service or you want to sell a product unless you're famous and you have a lot of followers. But somebody like myself who's not famous, nobody knows me, you have to create content and you have to make a good web page, and you have to talk to people like I'm doing now, and you have to schedule one-on-one call to explain your service or your product and answer people's questions. This is how they trust you. So this one here, yeah. So comments, questions, let me know. You can also learn how to code in HTML, CSS in case you want to make some changes to your code, but I don't recommend it in the beginning because it takes time to build from the scratch. And nowadays, there are a lot of website builders and a lot of themes and templates. So you just have to know how to use what tool to use, whether you need templates or you want to build a ready-made theme, or you want to customize it. It depends what you want to do. So let's see. All right, I guess no questions. Nobody have any questions. I guess. Okay, so if there are questions, make sure you subscribe so we'll you'll get notification about future videos. And that's it for me. I'm gonna give it a couple minutes in case somebody have any questions, because I'm gonna wrap up the video. So if nobody have any questions, about website builders, web hosting, domain name, and which one to use at what stage, let me know. I can help you. So and you got other um, ways to build a website. You can use WordPress if you want the content management system. You can use a lot of website builders and CMS. All right. So if you have any questions now or later in the future, you can submit it in the comment, and I'll do my best to reply. With that said, thank you so much, and make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much, and have a great day or great evening. It depends where you are. Thank you.